Summer is here and the pool is calling. The problem is that you've been out of it for 6 months, maybe more. If you're someone who has recently overcome your fear of deep water, taking long breaks sometimes does something else. It fills you with doubt. Last summer, you may have found yourself doing incredible things in water that you never thought possible. But after 9 months away, you look at those videos and you don't even recognize yourself. You were so confident then, but now you're unsure. You think of the pool and your hands get sweaty. You feel nervous. It's time to restart. Number 1, get someone competent to supervise. People who love you will try to affirm you. You've got this. You're an expert now. You've been doing this for so many years. You know what you're doing. You're a badass. You don't need me to watch you. Thank them for their affirmation, but insist on the help. But even badasses feel unsure sometimes, and that's normal. If you're ever unsure, you want to give yourself everything you need to feel comfortable. Get someone to watch you. Make sure it's a capable buddy who can intervene and get you out in the worst case. Number 2, start from the shallow. You want to start from the shallow part of the pool where you feel safe. Take your time walking around the pool slowly. Get reaccustomed to the feeling of water against your body. Practice your basic foundational skills. Get on your back. Get on your front. Move about. Immerse yourself in shallow water. Combine skills. Remind your body how things feel in the shallow, where your brain knows that it is safe. Don't rush. Take your time to get fully back in your body. It's okay if you don't go to the deep today. Give yourself permission to do only what is comfortable. Number 3, only once you're completely confident in the shallow, head to the deep. Hold on the wall. Practice your basic foundational skills in the deep. Watch how the water pushes you up in the deep. How it pushes you up near your belly. How it pushes you up when you're on your back. Look at your feet. They're not touching the bottom. The water wants to keep you up at the surface where there is air. Number 4, slowly let go of the wall in the deep. Remind yourself that the water holds you up in the deep. Take your time to feel comfortable before you proceed further. Number 5. Once you're completely comfortable, then have fun in the deep. Welcome back to summer. Enjoy your old friend, water. It will be a summer of breakthroughs. If you're afraid of deep water, we have a self-guided course that shows you step by step, A to Z, how to overcome your fear of deep water and learn foundational self-rescue skills. Summer is the best time to get started on your journey away from fear. I know you may not feel fearless now, but hang with me and we'll get there together.